The queen bee is the most important bee in the hive. She is the central figure around which the entire colony revolves. She is the only female that can lay fertilized eggs, the eggs that become worker bees. These worker bees are essential for the hive's survival. Worker bees do all the work in the hive. They are the backbone of the colony, performing various tasks to keep the hive functioning smoothly. They collect nectar and pollen, build the honeycomb, and ensure that the hive has enough food and shelter. They also care for the young, feeding and nurturing the larvae until they grow into adult bees. Without a queen to lay eggs, a honeybee colony would quickly die. The queen's role is irreplaceable and vital for the colony's continuity. A queen bee only mates once in her lifetime. This single event determines the future of the entire hive. This one mating flight is incredibly important for the survival of the entire colony. It is a critical moment that ensures the hive's future. She must mate successfully to ensure the continuation of the hive. The drones play a crucial role in this process. The queen's mating process is a fascinating and complex event. It involves intricate behaviors and precise timing. It ensures the genetic diversity of the hive and allows the colony to thrive for years to come. This diversity is key to the hive's resilience and success. When a virgin queen bee is about a week old, she is ready to mate. This is a crucial time in her life cycle. She will leave the hive and fly to a special area called a drone congregation area, a place where male bees, known as drones, gather. Scientists aren't exactly sure how these areas are chosen, but drones tend to gather in the same places year after year, almost as if by instinct. These areas are usually high in the air, away from trees and other obstacles, providing a clear space for the mating flight. Hundreds, even thousands of drones from different colonies gather in these areas, creating a buzzing cloud of potential mates. They wait for a virgin queen to arrive, their only purpose to mate with her. The queen will fly through the drone congregation area several times, each pass increasing her chances of successful mating. She mates with multiple drones in the air, ensuring genetic diversity. This ensures a diverse gene pool for her offspring, which is vital for the health and survival of the colony. Drones are male bees whose sole purpose is to mate with a queen. They are essential for the continuation of the hive's lineage. They are larger than worker bees and have large eyes to help them spot a queen in flight. These eyes are crucial for their primary mission. Unlike worker bees, drones don't have stingers, and they don't collect pollen or nectar. Their anatomy is specifically designed for reproduction. When a drone mates with the queen, he dies shortly after. This dramatic end is a natural part of their life cycle. This is because part of his reproductive system is ripped from his body during the mating process. This ensures the queen is fertilized. Although it seems harsh, this sacrifice ensures that the queen receives a full complement of sperm. This is vital for the hive's future. The drones that don't get to mate return to the hive. They continue to live out their days within the hive. They are allowed to stay and eat the honey until they eventually die naturally. Their presence in the hive is tolerated. Their role in the hive is short but crucial for the colony's survival. Every drone plays a part in the grand cycle of life within the hive. Section 4. A lifetime supply sperm storage. During her mating flight, the queen will mate with 10 to 20 drones. She stores the sperm from these drones in a special organ called the spermatheca. This is a sac-like organ located in her abdomen. The sperm from these multiple matings will provide enough genetic material to fertilize eggs for the rest of her life. She never needs to mate again. This stored sperm allows the queen to lay thousands of eggs every day. She can control whether she uses the stored sperm to fertilize an egg, producing a female worker bee, or lays an unfertilized egg which will develop into a drone. Section 5. Risks and rewards of the flight. The mating flight is a dangerous time for a queen bee. She is vulnerable to predators like birds and dragonflies. Bad weather can also make it difficult or impossible for her to fly. If she fails to find a mate or is killed during the flight, the entire colony is doomed. There will be no new workers to keep the hive running. However, the rewards of a successful mating flight are great. The queen will return to the hive with enough sperm to lay eggs for years. This ensures the continuation of the colony and the production of honey and other bee products. Section 6. Genetic diversity, the key to a strong hive. Mating with multiple drones is important for the genetic diversity of the hive. A more diverse gene pool makes the colony more resistant to diseases and parasites. It also makes them better able to adapt to changes in the environment. The queen's ability to store sperm and control its use allows her to maintain this genetic diversity over time. This makes her a vital part of the hive's survival and success.